And welcome back. Let's head to the center circle now, where battle lines are drawn for Friday's blockbuster showdown in the Ray Nephew Jamaica Premier League final, as defending champions Cavalier square off against the tabletoppers Mount Pleasant FA at the National Stadium. Christopher Scott has our preview.
It's a trilogy of Jamaica Premier League matchups. For the third year in a row, St. Anne's Mount Pleasant FA, who are deemed the favourites to lift the trophy, will be battling Cavalier FC, who are the defending champions. Both teams have been crowned champions once over the last 2 years, Mount Pleasant coming out on top 2-1 in 2023, while Cavalier were victors 4-3 on penalties last year. Technical Director of Cavalier Rudolph Speed says despite the narrative, his team is ready for the big clash.
I was prepared for matches of this nature. I mean, it's not new to us. 4 finals in 5 years, 2 Caribbean Cup finals, so we used to go to finals.
And even though they have the better record against Mount Pleasant since their promotion to the JPL with 13 wins from 26 encounters, while 8 ended in drawn results, Speed won't take them lightly.
You can't ignore what they have done. I mean, they had 93 points, best attack, best defense, best goalkeeper, best almost everything. So you can't ignore what they have done. They have simply been marvelous this season, almost untouchable. So we would ignore those at our detriment, but we have a team that can step up, rise to the occasions as we have shown over and over.
Mount Pleasant will be seeking to make it 2 titles in 3 years, and head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore is aware of the task ahead.
They were cut out. You know what Cavalier bring to the table. We are preparing for what they throw at us. And as I said before, we are positive going into the final.
Mount Pleasant captain Sule Makala remains hungry for more success.
Well, we have our motivation as a team. I think before the season starts, we set our goals. So I don't think that would give us any additional motivation because, we know the task, we know the team goals, and we know where we want to be as a team. So I think that already motivates us.
The match, billed as the Super Final, will kick off at 7 p.m. Jamaica time. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.